Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the little Easter chick into an Easter bunny. So let's get started. To crochet this little bunny, first make the basics for the chick. To make the ears, start with a slip knot, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in the next stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the one stitch of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in this stitch. I'm going to repeat that for a couple more rows. Okay, like that. When you have the ear long enough, just going to slip stitch and fasten off. Thread the yarn end into a yarn needle, weave it back into the finished work. Thread the other end into a yarn needle, sew the ear onto the side of the head. Like that. So now I'm going to make another one and I'll sew it over here. Okay, I've gone ahead and done the second ear like that. And I've attached a little pom-pom on the end. You can watch my other video on how to make a pom-pom with a fork. And I'm just going to position a couple of beads on for eyes, and you can sew those on with the needle and thread. And a pink bead for a nose. And then you'll have turned your little chick pattern into a bunny. And then you can fill the little basket with some little Easter eggs or a boiled regular size egg. So there you go. There's a cute little bunny that you can make to go with the little Easter chick. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.